video on the Zep commercial, the Microwave Miracle Foaming Cleaner. And this is how the product looks. And it's new from Zep commercial. And it says, let your microwave do the work. It easily removes baked on food and cleans and freshens in minutes. So we're going to see how this product works. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to open up the microwave. And this is how the microwave looks before Zep is applied. And now I'm going to take the top off. And the directions says to spray. You have to spray a couple pumps. So if you guys can see that, I'm going to spray it all over the microwave. It doesn't say how many, it just says to spray. So I'm just going to get it in there. Try to get back here too. Okay, so I'm going to spray a little here. Okay, I'm going to close the microwave up. And it says to heat it on 1 to 2 minutes. And I'm going to do a minute. And we're going to let that heat up. And we're going to see if the product lives up to its expectations or its name. So yeah, with a couple of seconds. Well, more than a couple. Almost there. And it's heating up in the microwave. We're getting there. Another look. Getting close. And we're done. I'm just going to let it sit for a couple of seconds. And while we're letting it sit for a couple of seconds, I can go over the directions. If you guys can see that. It says spray, activate, and wipe. And you're supposed to thoroughly coat the microwave, the bottom or turntable with product. Activate microwave for 1 to 2 minutes. Allow product to cool, then wipe with a paper towel or cloth. So we're going to open this up. And this is how it looks. And I think it needs to cool a little bit because I just felt the steam when I opened it up. Okay. And now I'm going to take a cloth. And we're going to see if this stuff works. So get in there. It's very warm. I see the turntable is clean. Get in there. That's clean. Now I'm going to actually take this out so that I can get underneath. And I'm just going to wipe. Let's see if it does the job. And it's coming off very, very easily. I'm not doing any hard scrubbing or anything. I can get it in the corner. Yes. See a difference already. You guys can see that. Switch it up. And if you hear any noise in the back, that's the thunder. It's pouring down outside. And then we're going to get over here as well. And here's the finished results. Let me get back here. And I say it did a pretty good job. What do you guys think? Think it gets an A in my book. So yeah, you guys, that was the Zep commercial. The new Microwave Miracle Foaming Cleaner. So I think this is a go-to product, cleaning product for my microwave. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know in the comments down below any thing you want to let me know. If you like this video, just feel free to shoot me a comment down below. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.